on our way to an archaeological site called as Hathi Bhata. It is in the Tonk district, and let's find out what it is.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
We have arrived the Hathi Bhata. Wow, this looks really beautiful. These are the plate-shaped plates carved out of the stone. I counted out, these are 64 plates. That elephant that you see, like I told you, it's all carved out from one stone. Hathi Bhata is said to have been built by Ramnath Salat during the reign of King Savai Ram Singh in Samvat 1200. And it is also said that it was built by the Pandavas during their unknown stay in the Mahabharata period. Here the plates on their dinner stone also remain like pangat. Located in the Tonk district in Rajasthan, the historical heritage Hathi Bhata is a major attraction of Tonk. Hathi Bhata is located 22 kilometers from Tonk district and about 5 kilometers from the historical fort of Kakor. It is a statue of an elephant carved on a stone. There is an inscription written on the right ear of Hathi Bhata, provides evidence of Hathi Bhata being historical. Let's see the inscription. One more time. There isn't much around this place, like no restaurants, nothing. So one has to go to Tonk City for it. Also, it is open 24 hours, all seasons, but choose a time between 11 am or after 4 to 5 pm in summers, as it's going to be super hot under the sun. Tonk City is located 96 kilometers away from Jaipur. This is a quiet town which was ruled by Pathans from Afghanistan. There are many other places to see in Tonk, such as Suneri Koti, the Golden Bungalow, Bisalpur Dam, Hadi Rani Ki Baudi, Diggi Kalyanji Temple, etc. Hello. That's the Hathi Bhata there, and we have come to this temple on the top. After crossing all these big boulders, we have come near to the temple and we are going down. देखो ये एक इंग्लिश मूवी है और आगे बॉटल में भी बनी है स्पाइडरमैन आप हार गए स्पाइडरमैन अब आप बताओ हाँ एक हिंदी मूवी है और वो इसमें आलू का बाबा अरे आला री आला सिम्बा आला भाऊ क्या बात है